Were your parents or was your family politically involved at all?
Yes. My mother, when I was a little girl, I went to a Yiddish shule that was run by the Workmen Circle. That was before we moved down here. When we moved here, there was nothing like that. My family were both very left of center, especially my father. I don't think maybe he was a socialist. He wasn't a communist. They didn't like communists, but he was definitely a socialist. And big in the Verband, labor Zionist movement. And but we lived in Florida, and there weren't a great many avenues for that here, not as many as when I was a little girl. So when he came here, I think, I don't remember him being, anything but a staunch Democrat. I know my mother always got the Jewish newspaper, the Forwitz. That was in my house always. Other than that, I probably don't recall. But we did have the Forwitz. To this day, I pick it up once in a while and try to read it. And they were progressive. My mom they were both liberal thinkers. So the conversation at our dinner table was always had a liberal bent. They loved Roosevelt till they found that he wasn't so lovable, and that was a great disappointment to them both.